Okay, time is 15:13, Thursday the 30th of January 2020. This is with the 1517 East Midlands Railway service from Doncaster. One 5864. East Lincolnshire Railway, 50 years. I think it's time for the barriers to be down for several minutes. Time is 15:19. This is the 15:22 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester. Between 10 and 20 minutes time, we should see a movement from Ely heading to Netherhill. It's led by a class 57 with a class 43 on the back heading to East Midlands Railway. One 58780. Previous one from its destination display seems to be bugging out. This arm's already losing bodywork. Okay, time is 15:25. This will be the 15:27 London North Eastern Railway service to London King's Cross, the 15:30 Northern Connect service to Leeds, which will soon be Tory Trains Connect. Yay march. Boo march. Will it be staying down? Goodness knows, because there's a fault with this feed coming from the signalling system, meaning I've not got the most up-to-date information. Yay, not work failure. Okay, London's leaving. Whether we stay for Leeds, we'll have to wait and see. It's now 15:28 when this thing leaves. So he's left the platform, TR chest has only just disappeared and the signal's not yet gone back to danger. Never mind. Well, now it has. So what's for London King's Cross out of the two sets that's running this? $800-209. To London King's Cross via Newark Northgate. Now we're just waiting for the Northern. Is this a 195 or a 158? Still don't know if my usual run off Gainsborough's changed over yet. Though of course that station has been half remodelled, only 4 years later than planned. And this died on the wrong platform. So figure that out. Right, Barrow's been down for 5 minutes. There's train 2, it's a 195. A couple more trains for the city will be cancelled due to a shortage of trained drivers because the training programme at Sheffield's paused again. One 95011. Leeds. We just did 6 minutes. Yay. This one now, it's the floor. Didn't think it'd be long. Okay, this could be a double stay. Time is 15:34. This will be the 15:36 East Midlands Railway service from, well, here to Leicester, innit, sir? And the 15:45 service from Ely Papworth sidings to Neville Hill, traction and rolling stock service, maintenance depot, and probably also the 15:42 East Midlands Railway service to Newark Northgate. The Ely thing's already waiting on the Down line at the station. So we'll see what happens. I'm trying to keep me out, see if the map's getting back up to speed again or not. If not, I've got to give feedback to Peter. Then if not, complain to local control again. Left the station. Let's see if these go up or not. Oh, my mate, 780. Yeah, they've gone up, we're going up. This as well, because I pressed the screen, so it's got that random manual focusing shit. Time is 15:39. This will be the 15:42 East Midlands Railway service to Newark Northgate, and the 15:45 service from Ely Papworth sidings to Neville Hill. One power car for East Midlands Railway. What good's that? Well, for extremely, we'll look at leading to a couple more as well, such as the 1548 Northern Connect from Leeds, and maybe a freight train, but we're going to hold back there. I can almost see us staying for the Northern. It's a freight train after that, but oh, unlucky, aren't we? Because we're already holding the freight train back. Right, this train's just left the station. I've been down for over 3 minutes for it. 158864. East Lincolnshire Railway, 50 years. Right, what's next in the Northern or East Midlands thing at? Right, the EMR thing next. Is this the next Northern or 195? I don't know how many diagrams have changed since before the December timetable, and now at the end of January, which nearly all have gone over, but like I say, training's been paused around Sheffield again. That's the only train that's still behind, and that's staff unavailability. Okay, this thing is now leaving. Which is class 57, 2 barrier wagons and a class 43. That was a Wharf on Northern. Five 7301. That's now gone into the Gainsborough slow line or the God's Loop. Northern's now got the road. 158848. From Leeds. Right, I think that's all. Yes.